Hi beauties! Today I will be talking you guys through a latte makeup look. It's perfect for our DIY bride or if you just want to glow on a daily. I am using everyday products that I have here in my vanity and that are accessible to purchase on Amazon. Yeah guys, so please don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Bye guys! So, latte makeup is huge now in 2025. It's all over YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. It is a very popular makeup look. Think warm, think brown, think creamy, think glowy. Your favorite coffee. Think about your favorite coffee. It is perfect for that DIY bride. It gives soft, romantic vibes. It's great for engagement photos, being a wedding guest, being the bride, being the bridesmaid. It is a suitable look for everyone. I have done this look for various guests, various brides. It is a beautiful, universal look. Let's start with the NARS Sheer Glow Radiant Foundation. It gives a light, dewy base that creates the perfect base for the latte look. I use it daily for that even glow. Next, NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer. Dab this under your eyes and on redness with your finger or a concealer brush. It's creamy and it keeps the natural look. This concealer is a bit more full coverage and it is matte, but it is not heavy, but it does conceal. This palette is more on the expensive side. Not that it's necessary to spend a lot of money on eyeshadow palettes. This is just a palette that I already have in my collection. Now, you could do the Match by Mario if you have a Natasha Denona, if you have an e.l.f. 5 Bites eyeshadow palette. As long as the palette has warm nudes in it, it is perfectly fine to use. Go in with Hypnotic. Go in with the shade Rough. Now, I am not one to use a dark winged liner or a black liner, not me personally. I will apply it on my brides and my guests that do want that. Me personally, I like a softer wing, and so I'm going to go in with the shade Naughty, and I'm going to create a wing. This is an extra step. I am going to go in with the NYX Cosmetics Professional Retractable Eyeliner in the shade White in my waterline. For mascara, I am going to go in with my Milani Highly Rated Lash Extension Tubing Mascara. At this very moment, I am using this mascara because I'm doing a treatment on my lashes and I don't want to put any strip lashes on, but that I do recommend you pick up is the No Glue Needed Impress Press-On Falsies. These. I recommend you getting this product. You will thank me later. You will. You will. Get this. For my contour, I'm going to go in with the Tarte Sculpting. For my cheeks, I am going to go in with the Danessa Myricks Beauty Skinny Yum blush in the shade Rose and Brunch. I've picked up. It is called the Sachu Lip Liner Stain. Okay, this is a new product that I definitely will be recommending everyone to get for a long-lasting lip. It was $12 on Amazon. You have to get it if you want a long-lasting lip that will last you all day long. I'm going to top off this Sachu lip liner with my Fenty Gloss Bomb in Sweet Mouth. Now, if you want more of a glow, I would recommend getting a bronzy blush that has a little bit of a glow effect to it. I have this one from Dibs Beauty. These are my everyday vanity must-haves for a latte look. Check them out on Amazon, links below. I'd love to know, what's your favorite makeup vibe? Comment below, give this a thumbs up, and subscribe for more. Bye guys.